Hello everyone. Today, I want to tell you about a new feature we've added to our AI setup process for floor plan creation. We call it window type, and it's a really useful enhancement. Now, on the second step of placing an order, in the AI setup section, you have the option to choose the type of windows for your floor plan. This could be panoramic windows or standard ones, depending on your preferences and the specifics of your project. If your property has specific requirements, like the frame color, white, brown, metallic, or mirrored metallic, or the glass color, standard, black, tinted, or frosted, you can easily let our support team know about your preferences for the window frame and glass color. Or you can submit these details through your personal account. If you've already received your floor plan and want to make these changes, just email us. We'll update your 3D floor plan with these modifications and send it back to you. How does it all work? It's very simple. Visit our website at getfloorplan.com. Click Place an Order in the card of any of our 3D products. On the second step of the AI setup, choose Select Window Type and specify your desired options. That's it. Now you can customize your floor plan exactly the way you want and get the final result without any additional revisions. We're always striving to make our service more convenient and efficient for you, and we hope you'll love this new feature. Thank you for choosing us. Getfloorplan, your key to successful real estate sales. Use the promo code GETSTART on your first order and get a 35% discount. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything important.